Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Build It All team. In this session, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring payments in Super Checkout. So you're going to go to your Cheetah and you're going to create your site. Now I've got a home page where the product is sitting on and a thank you page for one they've subscribed. On the left hand side, you're going to scroll down until you find Super Checkout and you're going to click on that. And now we need to go and create a product. Obviously, I need to have all my information here. I'm just going to save it because it's a new site. And we're going to create a new product. We're going to pretend that we have a magazine and that we are going to have it up as a subscription, a monthly subscription. Now you can choose to have your product as yearly, but we'll see now how it works. I'm just giving it a name. It's going to be digital, so I don't have to ask for an address. You put in your details, the digital, media files. We're going to choose Stripe. Now before I go on, please note that with recurring, the only payment gateways that you can use is Stripe or PayPal. The other ones are not working at this present moment. So we're going to say United States dollar. And this is where we need to change the payment type. You can say that it says single payment. Now in this case, it's recurring payment. We do not have any coupons listed at this stage. And now we need to create and configure the subscription plans. We can give it a name, so we can just say monthly subscription. And we're going to say the amount. Let's say $15. And here you can give some detail as to when and how they're going to receive it. Whatever you want to put in right there. The frequency of your recurring payments. That is the frequency here. So we're going to do it once every month. You can choose to have it days and years. So it's once every month. And we're going to leave it at infinite until the customer cancel, or you can have it an amount of payments. Let's say somebody has paid for 12 issues. You need to choose that one there. And then able or disabled. So we're going to leave it as enabled and we're going to click OK. So now you can see that has been set up. All the rest is exactly the same as you would create any other product. So we're not going to enable affiliation. We're going to choose the checkout. We've got our thank you page, the place where it will be selling it there, and the next. The mailing box that you're going to choose, which list is it going to sit on. We're going to go next. I'm not going to fill in abandoned cart and all those things. Also, all of this I'm going to skip. Skip that. Create product. And the last step that you need to do is to go and grab the link and add it to your product page. So if you click on links, here it says for each plan, copy and paste the URL and respective sales button. So we don't have lots and different plans. We only have the monthly subscription. If you had other plans, it would also reflect. But in this case, we're just grabbing the one. Just going to close. Going to go back to your site. Going to click edit. And now you can choose again. Are you going to add it to a button or are you going to add it to an iframe? The choice is yours. So we're going to just go add. Panel blank. We're going to click on elements and you can go grab a button, right click, put your URL there and select. Now let's go hit save. That's fine. And let's go to the website to see what it looks like and how it works. So let's click on the button. And there you can see it's the monthly subscription and agree and subscribe to this plan. Let me just close that. Let me show you what it will look like if we are going to use it as an iframe. I'm just going to move up that, remove the text. Going to go add the iframe. I'm just going to move down this a bit. Right click on the iframe. go to the general settings and embed the URL and apply. Just move the button out of the way and stretching it a bit. And that is what it looks like. And that is how you would add recurring payments in Super Checkout.